Hi there, students. To adjoin, a verb. Adjoining, the adjective. Okay, if two things are adjoining, they are next to each other. So, in the adjoining room, you will find the kitchen. Yeah? In the hotel, we had two rooms that were adjoining with a door between the two rooms. It was very nice. So, adjoining. Two things that touch, that border on each other. They abut. Yeah, they're in contact with each other. You've got one and then the next. So, the garden goes down and adjoining the bottom of the garden is a river. Yeah, adjoining the house on the right is a pub. Okay, so it abuts, it's next to, it's on the border. Yeah, if two things adjoin, then one is next to the other. So the adjoining area, the area next door, or you have a bedroom with an adjoining bathroom. Yeah, an ensuite bathroom. The adjoining building, the next building, the building coming down, an adjoining field, the next field down, the one that that comes next. Okay, so to adjoin, to be next to each other. There were only fields adjoining the garden, and they had no neighbours. Yeah. Okay, we went. We had to wait in an adjoining office, a neighbouring office, to neighbour on, to be next to, an area next to. So, yeah. This is to adjoin is in location, to be contiguous with. Yeah, two things that are joined together, they are in contact. You've got one and the adjoining one, and then the one that adjoins that. Okay, so attached by joining, lying next to, yeah, in contact with one another, and this is to adjoin, to neighbour, to abut. Yeah, to be next to. So yes, the dining room was very bright as it adjoined onto a conservatory. It adjoined a conservatory. It was next to it. Yeah, it was the next thing. So touching. Yeah. Yes, this is a place where you have three different adjoining oceans: the Indian Ocean, the Arabian Sea, and what was the third adjoining ocean? I think it was probably the Pacific. Yeah, I think three adjoining oceans. Okay, so they abut, they go together, they join each, they touch each other. Yes, so my friend lives in the adjoining house. The room adjoining this one is my office. Okay, so it's just located next to, a nice simple phrase. Yeah, in contact with. Yeah, so an island does not adjoin the mainland. The house that adjoins ours. I think you could probably use this adjoin, meaning to attach. So to this letter I have adjoined some photographs. I think I would probably use attached though nowadays. So to adjoin, formality. The adjoining building. I think I'm going to give it a 6, maybe 6.5 in formality. 6.5. Would I use it informally? Adjoin, probably not. Use it. Informally, next to, joining, touching. Use it in a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal or formal writing. And as to origin, okay, it comes from Latin, well, through French, adjoindre, from adjungere, add to and giungere to join. So literally to join to. Yeah, adjungo, to join to something, to be in touch with it. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Adjoin, adjoining.